by the stream. We need ya.
Alright, I'll be there in 5.
They're just lying here. There's no sign of destruction. Look at all these holes. How could this have happened? I don't know, man. I got one idea on that one. What's its name? Rusty. I'm gonna go see if this one's got an ID too. Oh, it does! And this one's Northy. I wonder what happened. I'm not sure, but I can find out more once we get back to the lab. Alrighty, load them up. I better take some pictures. Alrighty, yeah, that's a good idea. Look. What I can tell, these were infected by the fungus plague. They are also malnourished. This disease damages muscles. But where did it come from? There's no muscle here. I know, it's from the Procambrian clarkii, or more commonly known as red swamp crayfish disease. But how did it get all the way up here? Isn't it from the Gulf Coast? Yeah, but they must have just decided to come here. Some people brought them for harvesting. They must have been living with Rusty and Northy and taking their food. That would explain the malnourishment. We better hurry before they move on to their next victim. Oh look, here's some info. Oh yeah, look it. Organisms like Procambrius clarkii are commonly found in warm, fresh water. It is also able to tolerate slightly saline water, which is unusual. They are capable of living up to 5 years. Their common colors are brown, red, and an off-white color.
Its burrowing activity can lead to damage in watercourses and crops. It may even outcompete the natives.
Well, that's a negative. I think we're ready to go and look for some of these crayfish. Oh look, there's one. Let's go get it. Let's take it back to the lab, or...
This crayfish reproduces sexually.
The eggs must incubate for approximately 3 weeks, and then the little babies have to stay attached to the mom crayfish until they molt 11 times when they're sexually mature. Once they are sexually mature, they stop growing. The males have hooks on the 3rd and 4th pair of their walking legs, and the females develop the seminal receptacles to be able to hold the sperm.
They also have a bunch of adaptations, like they have a bunch of different habitats, a bunch of different adaptations, like a variety of food sources, and they can live pretty much anywhere. And they eat anything from aquatic plants to snails, fish, and amphibians.
And survive long dry spells, and they can travel up to 3 kilometers at night when they're looking for habitat. These crayfish also carry parasitic worms. They are omnivores, which means they eat basically anything. They are also consumers or heterotrophs.
We need to find a way to get rid of these terrible things. They seem to be taking over their habitat food and infecting the natives.
They have no natural predators besides humans who harvest them.
We can trap them all. I guess all we can do is inform people. Yes, I saw some papers on them somewhere back. I didn't know what they mean, but now I understand the importance that we do not release them.
Oh yeah, let's spread the word and let as many people as possible know. We can try to get rid of them the best we can, but their deep tunnels make it hard to find and catch them. We can try to tell people so that we can try and bring back the native ones.
We can make sure fishermen don't use them as bait or release them illegally. Make sure people don't transport them up here and they get released illegally.
Yeah, and tell people if they catch them not to release them together with the native and non-native crayfish. Let's make posters, guys, so more people know. Oh, that looks good. I hope everyone sees these so the native crayfish can get their home back. Yeah. Oh, really? Alright, sounds good. We'll be there shortly. That was Detective Sam. There's another murder downtown. Let's go find her. Alright.